Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhini's world. Did you ever try Manchurian with prawns? My son loves prawns, so I came up with this idea of making simple Manchurian recipe with prawns, which turned out to be one of his favorite dishes now. It tastes so great as an appetizer or side for rotis because it has got that Indian punch for this Chinese recipe. So let's start our delicious recipe. Friends, fry in small batches to avoid oozing out of water from prawns, which will delay our frying process. Friends, do not fry too long or too crispy. This would not allow prawns to absorb Manchurian sauce. Friends, look at the prawns soaked in delicious Manchurian sauce with little Indian punch, giving an awesome new taste. Please do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhini's World. Thank you. Bye.